Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can download Crowd software, which is user management software to your laptop or computer. See here, I faced a issue while downloading this Crowd software to my computer. If you face the same issue, this tutorial will be really helpful to you. So on the Chrome, open google.com and search for the crowd download, and this is the website you'll see. So instead of this, you can click on this one, download archive, which will open this the latest version of the crowd, which is 6.1.1. I guess you can filter it to zip archive, then click on download. It will ask the agree permission. You can click on that and click on submit. But see here, there is no download started. Even if I do the same step for multiple times, I face the same issue that my download is not getting started. So this is where I found the solution. Actually, my Chrome is blocking this download for the security reasons. So you can shift to the another browser, which is on the Microsoft Edge. See here, and reach out to the same page. Reach out to the same page, and here visit atlassian.com/software/cloud download archive. So I'll drop this link in the description. Don't worry, you can check in the description. And here you can shift to the zip archive here, and from here you can click on download and agree to this terms and conditions. Once you read them, click on the submit. As soon as you click on submit, the download gets started on the Microsoft Edge browser. So it is not happening on the Chrome. You need to click on these three dots and click on keep here. So this file can't be downloaded. You need to say something like keep anyway. Once you choose this option, as Atlassian is a secured website, I feel no harm installing this on my laptop, so I said something like keep it anyway. So if you feel the same, you can download it through the Microsoft Edge browser, and please do comment what is the exact issue what you're facing while downloading this crowd software on your laptop or computer. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.